Welcome everybody. Bobby, 2 pops of breaks. It is Sunday, October the 11th. We are where the heck did that go now? I'll find that afterwards. We are breaking a bomb box, full-size helmets. We randomed up our 11 remaining box numbers out of the original 42. We got number 35. We did random teams for it on the left. Teams and customers have been randomized and alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade, but nobody's going to trade. As you can see, we know all 11 hits left from the checklist there. So here we go. I'm just going to shut that off. Give us a little bit of room. Let's say it's going to be one of our bigger boys. Guess we'll just see which one. Well, bam, everybody, that is going to be one of the big boys left. That is going to be the Christian McCaffrey CMC Hydro Authentic Beckett certification on it, guys. She's a really nice looking helmet. Really nice looking helmet, guys. That is going to be the Carolina spot, guys. Well, that's going to be Pac-Man's first hit in the last few days there, guys. He hadn't hit much the last couple days. Very nice hit for you on that one, Pac. Really nice CMC. There's going to be another one next series, guys. The blue comes up a little higher, like, going to be similar, though, for next series. Let me get Pac's name on that. Whoops, I forgot to load ya for the qualifier. Let me get that in real quick. Switch my cameras. Alright, anybody gonna keep, guys? Anybody want to keep? You can keep at 18, guys. That's the same price as the early line for tomorrow. So if anybody does want to keep, it would only be 18. Oh shit, I lost my other die there though. Not a clue where that went. So here we go. Alright, well, we got a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 times. Bam. Well, I got Pete and Jeremiah going to be the golden ticket qualifiers for that break. That is qualifying number 6364, folks. We have 10 boxes left in the series. Still a lot of good hits for you. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. New series will launch sometime this week, fellas. Y'all have a good one.